My name's Lindsay. I'm a recovering addict and alcoholic, and this is Riot Recovery. So today I'm actually going to show you how to make one of our signature mocktails so you can make it at home and enjoy it anytime that you like. We actually started off as two sober people, me and my partner, in the state of Massachusetts, going around to local events like farmers markets and even weddings, making our signature handcrafted mocktails. Um, we tried to spread addiction awareness as much as possible. So this was our way of, like, in our small towns and social events, spreading addiction awareness and recovery awareness, because we want to show others that there's more to life and there's inclusivity with recovery. And it's not just for people in recovery if you don't like to drink, whatever it may be. So I'm going to be showing you throughout our series how to make some of my signature mocktails, and we can sit and talk recovery. So now we're trying to spread it more online and give it to really anyone in the world. So this is the Watermelon Nojito. I will give you a picture of the recipe up close so you can keep it for yourself as well. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is get a cup of ice. I like to use fresh mint leaves. You can buy them store-bought if you choose, but I do grow mine. And the first thing you want to do to release the oils of the mint, you actually slap the mint. We usually do it twice, and it brings out a real flavor and real scent of the mint. And you throw that in first. Next, you want to get AHA watermelon and lime sparkling water. You add about 6 ounces of this in there. And what makes our mocktails a little bit different is that we actually freshly juice any of the fruits that are in there. We juice them ourselves. It just makes it so much more healthy, and it actually has a lot more flavor. So what we did, I have some watermelon, but what we did was actually juice the watermelon earlier. And you want to actually fill to the top with fresh watermelon juice. You can also buy this in store or buy watermelon juice in store if it's easier for you, if you don't have a juicer or just don't want to. The next thing you want to do, what we usually do is actually juice our limes and mix it in with like a dash or two of simple syrup. We're not using simple syrup today, but what I would do is actually cut a lime in half and squeeze the full half into the drink as much as you can. It's a lot cleaner when we do it, but. And then you top the drink off with a slice of lime. Throw that in there. Give it a swirl. And there you go. It's so fresh. It's if you could make a big batch of it if you'd like and keep it in your fridge for a few days. But that is our signature mocktail. And on this channel, I will be showing you more of our mocktails, talking recovery, talking about health, mental health. I'm also epileptic, so we'll be talking about epilepsy recovery as well. But that's who we are. Thanks for coming by.